Hello everyone, it's me again, Krater Ai. Today my topic revolves around making money online using AI tools. In the context of the global economy, there is a serious recession. There are many people who are unemployed and very stressed, or there will be massive layoffs and deadlock. With the pressures of daily life and a way out for the future, please discover the power of AI to help you build a professional sales channel or create content to sell marketing products for leading brands in your country. The superiority of AI tools helps you create video content quickly. From rich video content, diverse scenarios without the need for filming. From search creating product content to marketing videos. Diversify social platforms to post marketing information. Diversify product sources through rich video content. And next, some AI will give you maximum support for this job. AI Videogen tool supports cross-platform video creation with text commands quickly and conveniently without wasting time downloading video materials. You can choose a variety of platforms to create videos from the tools integrated here, and the access link I have placed below in the comments and description will give you free text. Just enter the command as text to request video content, and you will experience it immediately. Next is AI Fliki, an assistant tool that supports writing scripts for videos, diversifying content for advertising videos, blogging, trending videos, etc. And there are full instructions for you to use, extremely easy and convenient, but there will be full integration of photo creation and text-to-speech conversion utilities that you can't imagine. Very rich. I have put the link below in the comments and description for you to easily access and text for free. This is a typical example of a video created with this tool. Please experience its value. Extremely interesting, isn't it? Next is the AI Krater tool. This tool is extremely effective for writing business content, websites, videos, fully integrated with applications for creating photos, creating videos, dubbing characters, writing code, and quite a lot. Is enough to create a professional sales. I have put the link below in the comments and description for you to easily access and text for free. Next is the AI GravityWrite tool. This is an automatic content writing tool for advertising articles, blogs, and Facebook, supporting very active business marketing. With the new interface now integrating image creation and storage, you can design logos and book covers for commercial activities. I have put the link below in the comments and description for you to easily access and text for free. With this AI tool, you won't have to worry about running out of ideas for your marketing content. It's extremely great for developing your online business system. A piece of advice for you: try these AI products for free by following the link below in the description and comment. Okay, in addition, I have attached detailed instructional videos for using these AI products below the description for your reference. If you find this video valuable, please give me a subscribe and share to support me in sharing more knowledge about using AI tool for online business. Goodbye and see you again.